What if I told you the things you have been begging for could happen in an instant, not because of your power, not because of your plans, but because Allah says be and it is. Allah says in Qur'an, إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون. Do you know what this really means? Allah doesn't need time. He doesn't need tools. He just wills something, and by His sheer will alone, it comes into existence. Your healing, your marriage, your risk, your child, your peace, it's not impossible. It's one kun away from becoming your reality. So why the delay? Why hasn't it happened yet? Because Allah sees what you don't, and He delays out of wisdom, not rejection. Sometimes He waits so that when the blessings comes, your heart is ready to hold it. Sometimes He waits so the timing serves your future, not just your moment. But when He finally says, Kun, there are no walls too thick. He doesn't need permission. He doesn't need steps. He only says be, and it becomes, even if the world calls it impossible. So keep making dua, keep knocking, but don't limit your expectations of Allah. He created the heavens with a word. He brought you into life with a word. Your situation is nothing for Him. This verse isn't just poetry. It's a reminder. Miracles are still happening. Your life can shift. Your heart can heal in the blink of an eye when He says, Kun. So never says it's too late, it's too far gone, nothing will ever change. Because when Allah says Kun, be Fayakoon, and it is, even the impossible becomes reality.